the Ramen Radar, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, got one that came out of an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Radar for a discount. This is Itsuki matcha green tea buckwheat soba cold noodles, and they're dipping noodles. So you can dip, dip, dip. So there you go. So it's 4 to 5 minutes. It's 2 servings. Let's do this. That's what we're gonna do. So they don't put little ties on these, so you don't really know exactly, unless you want to like whip out your handy dandy digital scale and measure, you know, get the weight, which I'm not super in the mood to do, so I'm just gonna throw a bunch in there and do it for, it's 4 to 5 minutes. I'm doing it for 4.5. But yeah, kind of a barnyardiness to them. I guess, I don't know, that might not be the right term for it. They definitely have a somethingness. And then you get these 2 sachets, and you're supposed to mix them with 50 mils of cold water. So I have something that looks a little like the container that you dip the noodles in. See? Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it in this, try it in something else, and then add some of the mixture to the thing that looks like that. And I don't know if you know where I'm going with this. I don't know if I do either, but I hope that hopefully it'll work and everything will be snazzy, groovy, cool. That's how we like to do on the Ramen Radar. So pour this. Ah, my package arrived. That's right. I had a package I was waiting for to arrive, and it finally did. And I'm guessing it's a lot of stuff. It's so funny. Sometimes I'll contact a company and say, hey, do you have any samples of this you could send over for the Ramen Radar? And they do, but they don't provide any communication whatsoever. It's like, I appreciate getting packaged product, but you know, you don't want to talk to me at all. What's up with that? Send her the product, leave them alone. I don't know. Most companies want me to like say something. But here we go. Ooh, that would be a strong beverage right there. And this wants to boil over, and I don't want it to. There we go. Pull back a little bit, God. Now, yes. Yes, the Ramen Radar is once again pretending to speak in tongues, ladies and gentlemen. So, anyways, on the last episode, I mentioned that I used to skin robots. And I even had like a whole backstory about it. Like, God, what was it? It was like there were robots, and I had a dream that the robots wanted not to look like the dreams of people, but they don't dream, so they just wanted to look like themselves. So here's a perfect example. I think this is like an Elmo XLR. I think it might say on its ass tag. Maybe not. But this thing, it's got feet, so it probably does like this. He probably dances. Does have a mouth that's animatronic. And then we've got, I don't think that's going to be the score of the century. I think this is going to be the one that's rad. There's not a lot in here. It feels like there's a box. Really nothing up top. And there's the armature. It flaps its wings, and it has really loose fitting. This will be easy to take apart. And then this one, which we turned on for a second, it was absolutely horrible. This one flaps its wings too. Where is it? I don't know, but it's got a mouth on it and it's noisy. So, no, don't pay attention to that. We'll take its skin off and we'll make it edible soon. But yeah, it's very annoying. And when you take that and you rip all the featherings off and weird stuff to make it look like it's a fun thing, what you get underneath is actually way more fun, I think. Go, 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 go. Yeah, you will see the robot chicken. I think the robot chicken may have to join the show. Maybe we can circuit bend it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, do we need to circuit bend the chicken? That sounds like fun. Sounds kind of drastic. So noodles are done. Now we're just rinsing them, as you can see, in cold water. Youch. So we rinsed it in cold water. All right, so we're gonna try this cold noodle. I'll put a little bit of this here mixture in here. So as you can see, there's some of the cold noodle stuff in there. So this is a dipping noodle. So how you do it, I guess I should try the noodle with no dip. Dipless noodle. I can't handle that. There we go. All right. Okay, and then here is the noodle, and what you do is you literally dip it. Kind of like a soy sauce vinegar. Yeah, that's not bad. These are pretty good. I like that. It's okay. Is it something I don't mind putting in my face? I would do it repeatedly. But I regret to inform you, we are now in the waning days of summer. I guess I don't regret it too much, just because we just have had, like, as far as heat goes in where I live, more heat than we've ever had in one summer ever before, so. And now we are going to ask Holy Slicer to work its, to give us a love offering of sliced green onion. We need more because I don't even see it. It like minced it so thin. Wow. A little bit faster this time. That's better. Fairly. But really, that's all we're gonna do to it. So, green noodles. And then a sauce for dipping. And we're gonna take some of this sauce and we're gonna put it in this one? Yeah, let's put it in this one. It really doesn't matter. Oh, that one's cleaner. I like that. So we'll use this one. So that's pretty much that for this episode. Not much else to show you. The next one will be one that came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Radar for a discount, blah blah blah. This is Ace Cook Mochichi Salty Lemon Yaki Soba. Should be interesting. So that will be coming up for you and your eyeballs tomorrow. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Radar, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.